What's up, guys? Welcome back. Jesus Christ, how long has it been? I think it's been well over a year. My last video was last year, and unfortunately it was the one where I broke the news about Ray Huggins. So for obvious reasons, I mean that and other reasons, I just haven't been posting videos. But I felt the urge because my kids are actually going to be starting their own YouTube videos. So their or YouTube channel, sorry, they want to do toy reviews. They're little kids, and we're working it slowly, so I'm not sure if I'll promote their video on this channel, but they've got their things that they're working on, and they told me, hey, why aren't you making videos? They used to love watching my videos, so I decided to do it. It's been a long while, and I figured I'd start with a trade box. This one comes from my buddy Tim Horton. That's his actual name, Tim Horton. So if you're in Canada, or Tim Horton, if you're in Canada, you know what Tim Hortons is. And I really hope he gets free coffees for life for having that name with that ID, because yeah, that's pretty cool. But anyways, he's a local, and we traded for a cool piece that I'm really excited about. Actually, two pieces. It was a super for super and a super for a green machine that you're going to see. But before we get started, just going to show you a few things. I mean, I don't do haul videos anymore for reasons that I've mentioned way back in the past. It's just I find that there's a lot of competition these days. A lot of competition would watch my videos, and you know, I don't want them to know where I'm hunting, when I'm hunting, who I may be interacting with while I hunt. So for that reason, I cut that off. But I figured I'm going to go back to doing haul videos, trade box videos, diecast reviews, whatever it feels like it, whenever I feel like it. I mean, that's the advantage of having your own YouTube channel. Your content, you can upload whenever you want, as much or as little as you want. So I figured, I haven't posted a video in a long time. I kind of miss you guys and doing this stuff. So I figured I'd give it one last shot. So before, I mean, let's just get started. I'm kind of rusty. So anyways, this is a find from a couple of weeks ago. As soon as I found out, like, I'm not hunting aggressively. That's another thing you guys should know. I'm not hunting as aggressively as I used to, especially not Walmart. You know, a lot of stuff has changed at Walmart. So I do go when I can, day off, morning off, or whatever. But the moment that I found out that the Greenlight Hollywood was coming out and that the Christine was going to be the chase, I went pretty hard. And luckily, I didn't have to go look too hard. A store nearby me ended up restocking one case, one chase, and it happened to be the Christine that I was after. So the only thing that kind of gets to me is that it has that little smudge on the white. See the white wall here from the tire? It has that little smudge. But other than that, it's pretty cool. What makes it even cooler, and I don't think you're going to be able to see it on video here. Yeah, you won't be able to see it, is the number on the base. It's a green machine, and it's a 420. 420 on the base. If you guys are on Instagram, you guys can follow me there. It's Pete's Diecast on Instagram. I got photos of that, and that's pretty cool. Another thing that I found, and it's not even a diecast related, well, sort of diecast, but the Toy-Con exclusives are hitting our EB games here in Canada. And a buddy of mine gave me the heads up that the Ecto-Tron is hitting our stores, and there was actually quite a few on the shelves. I ended up picking this one up for me, got one for a buddy, and put one on hold for another buddy of mine. This is absolutely ridiculously, like, this is sick, look at this. So they got the original 80s packaging. I mean, this was never an official release, this never even came out, it's just a mashup they did, but back in the 80s, this is what the packaging would have looked like on an official release. So that's pretty awesome. So this is, they call it the Ecto-Tron. And as you can imagine, it's an Ecto-1 that transforms. So I'll give you guys a quick look at that. This is it in robot and in car mode. And in the back are all the stats that you normally would get. So I thought that was pretty freaking awesome. If I could, I would get more, but you know, these aren't cheap. And they add up, and I would have loved to get one to crack, but who knows? Maybe. Now we'll get into the trade box. So again, in advance, thank you to Tim. I'm not sure if he watches YouTube. He's definitely on Instagram. I'll put his link there. But we worked out this trade a while ago. I was just slow to ship. So put everything together right now, and we'll get this. We'll get his box sent out tomorrow. So there's a nice packaging, and we'll start off with the main piece of the trade. So this is the first thing that we had traded for. He had found this in the wild, and it's absolutely sick already. It is the A-Team Hitch and Tow Hollywood release, Green Machine. Take a look at that. It has the Bandura, of course, and it's got a Chevrolet Silverado as a truck with an enclosed hauler. That is absolutely sick. So pretty pumped about that. Let me see if it has a number in the base. Number 101 on the base of the truck. And I can't see the base number on the van, but the truck is number 101. And the trailer is, I guess 101 is part with it, so that's pretty sick. And then he needed a Mustang Super. I happen to have an extra one, and we traded for an older Super. It's a Mach 1 Super. This was from the year I started collecting. Never did find this one in the wild. It's a phenomenal Super. I love this one here. I'm a sucker for any time that you put chrome rims on a Super. So that's that. And then there's some extra stuff here. I'm not sure. This is more than we had. Oh yeah. He said this was going to be for the kids. So let's see. So there's the shredder. These actually are the Pixel Pals. These went on clearance at Walmart, and they were available on store shelves for like almost 2 years at $20 a pop. Nobody was buying them, and then they went on clearance for $5, and they sold out like within 48 hours. I don't think I ever came across a shredder at all during those sales. I ended up picking all the DC ones, but that's absolutely sick. So my son's gonna take this one for sure. And this is the one I'm guessing is from my daughter. Let's see what he's packed in here. If I know Tim, he knows something that my daughter likes, pink cars. So I'm assuming this is something pink. Oh, yeah, look at that. That is sick. A pink Evil Twin. Or sorry, a pink twin mill. Very, very cool. Has rear riders. Not even sure what release this is from, but this is nuts. That's very, very cool. So you guys might hear the ice cream truck here. You might hear some commotion upstairs from my kids. And this I never picked up. This is the Lambo from the latest retro release, or yeah, one of the latest retro releases. The Doctor Strange car. That's pretty cool. That's gonna go right back there, because if I would have gotten this, it would have been to be an opener, and I'm actually going to put this one right here with my loose retro. So thank you so much, Tim. This is awesome. Cool extras for sure. I'll be sure to pack your box later tonight. Probably reuse the same box that looks like it's the perfect size, and hopefully I can put something extra there for you. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in, watching my videos. I don't know when I'll post another video again, but I hope to do one soon. Feels nice to upload something once again, some content on the channel. Oh, one other thing I found. I was at Toys R Us today, and unexpected find, because they haven't gotten 15 packs in a while, and the 15 packs that would have come out would have had the Mustang as the current Super, but this one ended up having the T2 Super. So I ended up picking that up. Anytime I find a Super in these 15 packs, I try to pick them up, because I like using these as a display for Supers at the end of the year. I actually found one. Oh, there I go ruining the production. But anyways, video's about to wrap up anyways. So this is a previous one that I had found. And as you guys can see, the Super's at the top here. And I've got another one. I think I found maybe, in 15 packs, I found maybe 3. One of them I ended up opening up. It was a cracked blister, I can't remember. But anyways, that's pretty cool to find. So thanks again for watching, guys. And actually now that it's toppled because I was using it as a stand. Here's another find from a couple of weeks ago. This is a Green Machine Pennzoil truck. It's a 39 Chevrolet panel truck, which is absolutely sick. If you guys can see the green, the way it pops, it's freaking bananas. So there you have it. I'm officially going to close off this video. Thanks again for tuning in, guys. I'll promise, or I'll try to upload some more content as the weeks go by. Summertime may be a bit slow for me. Kids are actually off school as of tomorrow, and I'm not sure how much hunting I'll get to do, but I will squeeze some in, probably with them, and we'll hopefully have something for you guys. So thanks again for watching, guys. Talk to you guys in the next one.